Alright folks, we just got done installing the spark plug wires. I know, and the distributor cap and the distributor. I don't think you can see. Let me get some. There it is. There's a right there. I don't know if the wires are right, but they kind of gave us, well, I guess it was a universal kit. So they kind of extended the wires a little bit larger than normal. Let me show you another one that we had a hard time with for a while. But then we found it. Watch out, boy. Oh, by the way, keeps our buns warm. Where is it? Let me. Okay. This pipe right here. Couldn't figure out for the life of us where it went, how it went, and all that. I had to look back at some of my old videos. Then I saw where it was. Then I couldn't figure out how it came to be on the passenger, on the, I'm sorry, again with the pass, on the driver's side. So, we figured it out, we saw it, we connected it, now it goes up to the front, and it's going to be connected to the throttle body. But at the same time, here in the back, there's this piece right here, another one. And I remember this wire, this hose, man. That goes there, and another piece was here that was cut off, and it curved, and it went inside here. But I don't know if you can see it or not. These hoses are really, and the other hose that's on the front of this tubing. I don't know if you can see back there. It's right there. See it moving, folks? Yeah, right there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there are some cracks in them that hose there too. So it's basically, I'm not going to go any further with this today, not until I go and get some hoses for this one, and ow, and this little one. That was for the other front end. We're almost there, folks. Almost. Like I said, look at these wires out there. They're kind of extra long here. My God. Well, I'm not going to say anything bad about the company because they really didn't know where these spark plugs to which application it would go. So they kind of give you a little extra more wire than you really needed. But so far, I never thought I would see the day that this thing is put together. So anyway, all I have left over to connect is what you see here on the floor. The alternator, the fan, the radiator, the airbox, hoses, and Oh yes, here, the throttle body. And then I just connect the rest of the hoses, everything that's supposed to be there. And then I'll connect these, put the bracket back onto the block of the engine, of the air pump, and also the alternator. And that's it. Here's that, here's the other, here's the end of that hose, that pipe out there I was showing you. Where is it? Oh, right here. I don't know if you can see it. It is a mess. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, since 95, what is it, 23 years? Ain't that right, boy?
I think so.
Yeah, he thinks so. Must be that Catholic education of his. He thinks so. Whew. Well, time to get a new hoses on there, that's for sure. That's what I...
23 years.
Yeah, 23, okay. I bet you he used his calculator on his phone. But that's it, folks. That's all I got left. And then we're done. Then we pray that we turn the key and there's life in this old girl again. Well, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that Liberty Bell button over there on the side to be notified. And if you hit like, that kind of helps us a little bit. All right. Later, folks.